Alright, Wally, so this is the project. This one was a lot simpler, I feel like, than the other guns. So this one's before I formatted and made pretty and stuff. So basically, first thing you gotta do is you have these three original fields. Just go up into here in the data bar. You want to turn on the filters here. So then you can sort it from oldest to newest. Mine was already in that order, but it'll change when you do that. So things they want to know is the days to build, and your completion schedule. So if we work normal days, what day will be done? If we work a normal week plus Saturday, how long will it take? If we work every day besides Sunday, even working on holidays, how long will it take us? And how many days will that save between the few different options we have here? A little bit bigger so you can see it. Okay, so first off, we got this in order. What we're going to do is we're going to go over here to this sheet and we're going to name these fields. So like these ones, or I think if I highlight this way, I named this build time just so I had it there. And then also here, these dates, I named this holidays. So these are days they're going to get off if they don't work on holidays. And so over here in our formula, or in our summary sheet, this is what he called it. We got this. So first what we want to do is a VLOOKUP, because we want to find Mount Hermon in this table, Mount Hermon there, and give me that date as we go through it. So pretty easy here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do equals VLOOKUP. Okay, and I want to look up this value in our table, build time, and I want it to give me the second column because that's where all those dates are. And then if that doesn't work, I want it to tell me it's false. Just like that. And then pretty simply, you don't have to do any anchoring. You pretty much do no anchoring in this one. You just click in it and it'll go all the way down. Just click and drag. This is where we kind of get into the more date stuff that we were talking about. So, but this one's a workday formula, as you can see. And so, what we're going to do is we're going to start from scratch here. So we're going to do equals workday. Okay. And so once our start date, which is going to be this, the contract day, and it takes us 70 days to build it, and we're going to take off our holidays. So remember that build we made over here? It's right here. We named this holidays. So that's what it's pulling from. And so it didn't like that because I didn't finish typing holidays. And then we'll close it, and it'll give us that date. So this is the day. If we work 70 work days, we'll finish on this day, and you can just drag it down or click it down or whatever. Then we get into here, and we're starting to use this form, the Workday International. The reason for that, it lets us pick what our weekends are. So we're doing equals Workday International. Okay, our start date is going to be the same. Our days to build the house is going to be the same. Our weekends is what's going to change because we're only taking, we're going to work on Saturdays too. So that means our weekend is only going to be Saturday or Sundays only. Okay, and then, but we're still lucky because we're still going to take up our holidays. So we're going to take up our holidays too. We'll close parentheses, and that'll get us that. And then we can just click it down or drag it. And so then this one's pretty similar, except what you'll see is the only difference is that holidays we're taking off here, and this one we're going to work holidays, so you just take that out. And so that gets us all three of these dates here that we're looking for, and then we want to find out how many days we save. So pretty simply, if I want to find out how many days we'll save if we work on Saturday, like date wise, because it's still going to take 70 days to build, then all we'll do is the normal work days, our normal schedule, minus with Saturdays, and that'll tell us that we would save 16 days from doing that. Okay, and then we'll drag and drop that down, And then let's say we only take Sundays off, including, we're going to work every holiday, but we're going to take Sundays off. So we're going to do our normal work days minus our Saturdays with holidays, and I'll get us that number. And that's pretty much it, and then you just make it look pretty. My finished one looks like this. So I just added in these columns in between and added the coloring, and that's basically it. But I wish you the best of luck, man.